Now you'll be wondering, where the heck did he get this white bucket from? Now, I got this from the pneumatic factory, and it was, now not this head, this is from my Henry. Now you'll be wondering where I got this white bucket from. Now it was from the pneumatic factory, and it had no face on it. It had no wheel caps on it. It had no wheels on it. So this was, and then Paul Stevenson from the pneumatic factory gave it to me, and I reason why I have a torch here is that you can see it slightly glows. But he gave me this. He gave me this bucket, only the bucket. And then he taken me into the factory again to put wheels and not the face, and this black thing in it. The reason why it has black wheel caps is that you can't get white wheel caps, but only 3 of these buckets were made, and well, I bet I'll be reaching like 1K subscribers after this video and like comments. I hope I do get comments, because I did get no comments in some of my videos. Well, they're restricted on my own channel, which is quite weird, but they may have had swearing in them, so that's why I think they're unrestricted. But here it is. My custom. So what I thought is that when I came over from the pneumatic factory, I thought I'd make a video. I thought I'd make a custom Henry, and it's called a Henry Snow, I'm gonna call it. And it's good for winter cleaning. The reason why it didn't come with this, but with my Henry Pro kit, I used the Aerobrush 140 from it. So if you had like a winter husky, if you had like a husky dog, this would be good for like cleaning the hair off it. So that's why it comes with that, and it also comes with this is docked on the back of it. It has tool storage on the back too. You'll see here it is, the Aerobrush. Now this didn't come with the Pro kit. Well, it did come in a Pro kit, but I found a Pro kit at the factory and I taken it out. This is from the Pro kit I had for my birthday, and this was from the Pro kit that was in the display room, the pneumatic factory, and Paul Stevenson just gave it to me. I put a brush on the back just in case you would just use it for other cleaning. And I changed it over so you can so if I'm going at the back, you could just do it at the front and low high as well. As you can see, I won't be doing a demo of this because it's a 160 bucket and it doesn't clip on, but here it is, a custom Henry I've made. It's called a Henry Snow for like winter cleaning. My mum's just going down to film better, but here it is. It does have a oh my god, that's heavy. Oh. It does have a bag in here. It has a filter. It has a head flow bag. I'm gonna go slightly glows like if I put it in here, then look, you can see through. Now you'll be just so jealous of this. You can't get it on eBay or anything like that. I didn't make a video. Well, here it is. You can see. I can take the bag out. Here it is. It's just an empty head flow bag. Let's see. Empty head flow bag. Put this in. You have to put in like this. Here it is. Henry Snow. The reason why I called it Henry Snow is that it was white. So you're not allowed to wash these filters, but it has a little plastic bracket in them. And I did get now. Well, I'm not going to say this to you now, but I had a vacuum cleaner that wasn't made by Pneumatic, and I had it for my birthday. I'm not going to say it now. Mum, do not say it. Now you'll be wondering this now. What vacuum could it possibly be? It's not a Hoover, it's not a Electrolux or something like that. Well, they kind of out of date now, but it's not a Philips. It's not a Hoover, it's not anything like that. But do not leave a comment what you think it is, because I'm going to upload another video after this. This is going to be about that vacuum. And